Now a look at the famous fountain created by artist Daniel Smith. Ooh. Here's the top. We'll turn on a little light. A light action. Here's the waterfall. Here's the basin. The brick, as you can see, individually hand carved by artist Daniel Smith. Here's the top. Again, look at the craftsmanship. Nearly flawless. Now we'll go around and we'll actually get the remote control that controls this work of art. Okay, are you ready for the display? And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. You can't really see the water. However, if you go to the side a little bit, there it comes streaming down. As you can see it trickling in. Take a look up and see the engineering. Oh yeah, pretty brilliant. That goes into the wall and then back down behind the picture in the wall itself. And there's Bubba, get out of there. Say hi. Say I'm Bubba. You gotta like that picture of the waterfall, huh? To give it that effect. Again, look here. This side here, you can see the water coming down. Now, if you were actually in this picture looking out, that's what you would see. And this concludes our tour of the great waterfall created by artist Daniel Smith. Back to you, Herb.